Weight loss and fitness, your path to a healthier, happier you. In today's fast-paced world, where sedentary lifestyles and unhealthy eating habits prevail, weight loss and fitness have become pressing concerns for many individuals. Achieving a healthy weight and staying fit not only improves physical well-being but also enhances mental health, boosts self-confidence, and promotes overall quality of life. In this video, we will explore the importance of weight loss and fitness, examine their numerous benefits, and provide practical strategies to help you embark on your journey towards a healthier, happier you. The significance of weight loss. Weight loss holds immense significance in promoting overall health and well-being. Let's delve deeper into the importance of shedding excess weight and how it positively impacts various aspects of our lives. Reduced health risks. Excess weight is closely linked to an increased risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain types of cancer. By achieving and maintaining a healthy weight, individuals can significantly reduce the likelihood of developing these conditions and improve their overall health outcomes. Cardiovascular health. Carrying excess weight puts a strain on the heart and blood vessels, increasing the risk of hypertension, heart attacks, and strokes. Weight loss helps alleviate this burden, leading to improved cardiovascular function, reduced blood pressure, and healthier cholesterol levels. Joint health and mobility. Excessive weight places additional stress on joints, particularly in the knees, hips, and ankles. This can lead to joint pain, inflammation, and conditions such as osteoarthritis. Losing weight can significantly reduce joint strain, alleviate pain, and improve mobility, allowing individuals to engage in physical activities with greater ease and comfort. Enhanced energy levels. Carrying excess weight can lead to feelings of fatigue and low energy levels. Weight loss, coupled with a healthy lifestyle, promotes increased energy levels, enabling individuals to be more active, productive, and engaged in daily activities. Improved sleep patterns. Obesity is associated with sleep disorders such as sleep apnea and disrupted breathing patterns during sleep. Losing weight can alleviate these issues, promoting better sleep quality, and reducing the risk of related complications such as daytime fatigue and decreased cognitive function. Enhanced mental well-being. Weight loss not only has physical benefits but also profoundly impacts mental health. Achieving weight loss goals can boost self-confidence, improve body image, and enhance self-esteem. This positive self-perception can lead to reduced stress, improved mood, and a greater sense of overall well-being. Increased longevity. Numerous studies have shown that maintaining a healthy weight is associated with increased longevity. By reducing the risk of chronic diseases, individuals who achieve and sustain weight loss are more likely to live longer, healthier lives. It's important to note that weight loss should be approached in a holistic and sustainable manner. Fad diets or extreme measures may yield short-term results but can be detrimental to overall health in the long run. Instead, focusing on gradual, healthy weight loss through a combination of balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and positive lifestyle changes is key to reaping the full benefits of weight loss. By recognizing the significance of weight loss and taking proactive steps towards achieving it, individuals can experience transformative improvements in their physical health, emotional well-being, and overall quality of life. The benefits of fitness. Engaging in regular physical activity and maintaining fitness levels offer a multitude of benefits for both the body and mind. Let's explore the various advantages of incorporating fitness into your lifestyle. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular exercise strengthens the heart, improves circulation, and enhances the efficiency of the cardiovascular system. This leads to a reduced risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improved overall cardiovascular function. Weight management. Fitness plays a pivotal role in weight management. Physical activity burns calories, increases metabolism, and helps build lean muscle mass. By combining exercise with a balanced diet, individuals can achieve and maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of obesity and related health conditions. Increased strength and endurance. Regular resistance training and weight-bearing exercises improve muscle strength, tone, and endurance. This not only enhances physical performance but also supports everyday activities, making tasks such as lifting, carrying, and climbing stairs easier and more manageable. Enhanced flexibility and balance. Incorporating stretching exercises and activities like yoga or Pilates into your fitness routine can improve flexibility, joint mobility, and balance. This reduces the risk of injuries, enhances posture, and increases overall body coordination. Boosted mental well-being. Physical activity releases endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which elevate mood, reduce stress, and alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Regular exercise promotes mental clarity, improves cognitive function, and enhances overall mental well-being. Increased energy levels. Engaging in fitness activities stimulates the body's energy systems, leading to increased stamina and endurance. Regular exercise improves oxygen and nutrient delivery to the muscles, resulting in heightened energy levels, improved productivity, and reduced feelings of fatigue. Better sleep quality. Regular physical activity promotes better sleep patterns, helping individuals fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. Quality sleep plays a vital role in overall health, as it supports immune function, hormone regulation, and cognitive performance. Longevity and disease prevention. Numerous studies have shown that maintaining an active lifestyle and high fitness levels are associated with increased longevity. Regular exercise reduces the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and osteoporosis. Social interaction and emotional well-being. Participating in group fitness classes, team sports, or recreational activities fosters social connections, boosts self-confidence, and provides a sense of belonging. The social aspect of fitness can positively impact emotional well-being and contribute to a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. It's essential to find activities you enjoy to maintain long-term fitness commitment. Whether it's jogging, swimming, dancing, cycling, or playing a sport, incorporating activities that bring you pleasure increases motivation and makes exercise a sustainable part of your lifestyle. By embracing fitness and making it a priority in your life, you can experience transformative improvements in your physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. Regular exercise is a powerful tool that empowers you to take control of your health, unlock your potential, and enjoy the numerous benefits that come with an active and fit lifestyle. Strategies for weight loss and fitness. When it comes to achieving weight loss and improving fitness, adopting the right strategies can make a significant difference in your journey. Here are some effective strategies to help you reach your goals. 1. Set realistic goals. Establishing realistic and achievable goals is crucial for long-term success. Focus on sustainable weight loss and gradual improvements in fitness rather than aiming for quick fixes. Consider factors such as your current fitness level, lifestyle, and any underlying health conditions when setting your goals. 2. Adopt a balanced diet. Embrace a balanced and nutritious eating plan that includes a variety of whole foods. Fill your plate with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary snacks, and beverages high in added sugars. Portion control and mindful eating are also essential aspects of a healthy diet. 3. Regular exercise routine. Create a consistent exercise routine that combines cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity, such as brisk walking or cycling, each week. Additionally, incorporate strength training exercises 2 to 3 times a week to build muscle and boost metabolism. Don't forget to include stretching exercises to improve flexibility and prevent injuries. 4. Find activities you enjoy. Engaging in physical activities that you genuinely enjoy increases the likelihood of sticking to your fitness routine. Explore various activities such as swimming, dancing, hiking, team sports, or fitness classes to find what resonates with you. Mixing up your workouts keeps things interesting and prevents boredom. 5. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to achieving and maintaining weight loss and fitness goals. Create a schedule that incorporates regular exercise sessions and stick to it. Even on days when motivation is low, remind yourself of the long-term benefits and make an effort to stay committed. 6. Seek support. Surround yourself with a supportive network of family, friends, or fitness communities who share similar goals. Their encouragement and accountability can be invaluable in staying motivated. Consider joining group fitness classes, hiring a personal trainer, or finding an exercise buddy to keep you on track. 7. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of your overall well-being is crucial for successful weight loss and fitness. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in activities you find relaxing. Get enough sleep to support your recovery and overall health. Remember to listen to your body, rest when needed, and avoid overtraining. 8. Track your progress. Keep a record of your progress to stay motivated and monitor your achievements. This can be done through a fitness journal, smartphone apps, or wearable fitness trackers. Track your workouts, note any improvements in strength or endurance, and celebrate your milestones along the way. 9. Adjust as needed. Be flexible and willing to adjust your strategies as you progress. As your fitness level improves, consider increasing the intensity or duration of your workouts. Likewise, review and modify your dietary choices to align with your changing needs. Remember, weight loss and fitness are lifelong endeavors. Embrace the journey and focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes rather than seeking quick results. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you'll be on your way to achieving your weight loss and fitness goals while enjoying improved health and well-being. Weight loss and fitness are essential components of a healthy lifestyle, offering a wide range of benefits that extend far beyond physical appearance. By embarking on a journey of weight loss and embracing regular exercise, you can improve your overall health, boost self-esteem, and enhance your quality of life. Remember, this process requires patience, dedication, and a long-term mindset. Embrace the changes, celebrate the milestones, and enjoy the transformation as you become a healthier, fitter version of yourself. Start today, and pave the way for a brighter, healthier future filled with vitality and joy.